our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze your location on Snapchat. To freeze your location on Snapchat, you can follow these steps. First is open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. After that, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to go to your profile. Right over here, when you reach your profile, scroll a bit down over here and we could see the snap map. Tap on the shading location and simply toggle on the option that says ghost mode and select for the until turned off. But if you want to enable ghost mode for only 3 hours or 24 hours, you can also select that wisely. And this is it. When you choose the ghost mode to hide your location from all friends. Optional, you could also choose select friends to choose specific friends who can see your location. And once you have selected your desired option, exit the settings and your location will be frozen or hidden from others. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.